I have a question. If when I book my ticket ba, tapos in-indicate ko na may infant ako kasama, dapat ba wala siyang bayad? Or may bayad pa din?
Sige. 500 to 600.
Ah, okay na. Sige. Alright, so bibili muna tayo ng ticket for ZZ. So at least hindi naman kami magkaka-problem pala. Kailangan ko lang magbayad ng extra for him. This is our first trip together ni Baby ZZ. Yay! And my first time to travel with an infant. Samahan nyo kami dito sa adventures namin. Actually, may challenge ako ngayon kasi when we book the flight, hindi ko na-indicate na I have an infant with me. So, I don't really know kung how to go about it pagdating ko ba doon, kung magkaka-problem ba ako. Pero, naghanda ako kung kailangan ko patunayan na ako yung parent niya. May dala akong birth certificate. So, let's see. Ayan, dito kami ngayon sa PAO, boarding area. Ayan, so, ito yung bed BZ. Yeah, we travel bed BZ. Yung baby cuddle niya, syempre hindi yan mag-iwanan. We're also checking in this luggage. So, I'm left with this bag para lahat ng mga yan, kailangan namin i-access. Dapat readily available. Madali lang ma-access. Diba, ZZ? Diba?
Sorry, your infant doesn't have a ticket yet.
Okay. Buy a ticket where?
It's service counter.
Okay, how much do I need to pay?
That's their computation of the private.
Okay, but can I already check in my luggage? Or kailangan... Okay, so I need to go and buy a ticket for my infant. I have a question. If when I book my ticket ba, tapos in-indicate ko na may infant ako kasama, dapat ba wala siyang bayad? Or may bayad pa din?
Sige. 500 to 600.
Ah, okay na. Sige. Alright, so bibili muna tayo ng ticket for ZZ. So at least hindi naman kami magkaka-problem pala. Kailangan ko lang magbayad ng extra for him. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ticket service counter. So I'm buying Z a ticket. Kasi ako meron na akong ticket pero siya wala pa. So I was asked to give his full name.
Boy or girl?
Boy, yes. I was asked to give his full name and birthday. Okay, so hindi naman pala hassle kapag ka last minute magsasama ka ng bata. You just have to purchase an extra ticket for your child. Diba, ZZ? Ayan. So, I hope you're enjoying your first trip, anak, riding via plane. Okay, so the price of the ticket is 1,660. It's 10% of my ticket price. Mahal din ah. Hindi ko na kailangan i-present yung birth certificate ni Z. So, I just provided the information that they requested for, which is yung full name, at saka yung date of birth. Yan! Yay! May ticket na si Z! Guys, pagdating ko dito sa boarding, hinanapan na ako ng birth certificate. Kailangan pala. So, buti na lang prepared ako. So, it's either you present a passport or a birth certificate of your infant. So, in my case, since wala pa namang passport si Z, I'm going to present his birth certificate. So, I need to sign because the child is traveling with only one parent.
Yes, but if it's two parents or both parents of the infant or a child, ma'am, you don't need to sign.
Okay.
So the waiver says that you're fully responsible for the secure travel of the child and the authenticity of the birth certificate that you presented to us a while ago.
Okay, thank you.
In front of
So, boarding na kami. We're already inside the boarding area. We're inside the boarding area.
Welcome aboard. Morning,
Thank you. Good morning. Of course. Layo. Nandito na kami sa loob ng plane. So guys, we successfully entered the plane. Kami Zed. Ayun. So, abangan na lang natin yung experience niya during takeoff and landing.
Sayang, he
It's
was
never
laughing.
too late.
He was laughing. Why are you laughing?
Where are you? You're inside the plane. You're inside the plane.
So cute.
Na-amaze siya, oh. Hello.
Hello.
And we're getting ready for takeoff. So, yeah, according to those who have already traveled frequently with an infant, it is best na mag-take off at landing, nakalatch ang baby.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Davao. Time check for convenience is exactly 11 o'clock in the morning, and we are 50 minutes ahead of our schedule. The date today is November 20, 2018.
Tulog pa din si Zed.
To complete stop in the passage, seatbelt signs
Success! Yung
are
first
switched off.
plane trip ni Zed.
May
Hindi
we
siya
remind
umiyak
you
sa
to check
biyahe.
areas around your...
Thank you.
Ay, sige po.
Hindi umiyak sa biyahe si Zed. Yes! Achieve tayo doon. So, first plane ride, success. Madayaw na pag-abot sa Davao. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Wow! May paharana. Patunay na sobrang safe dito sa Davao. Pwedeng mag-iwan ng bag sa puno.
Tapos polo nga eh. Grabe. Tuwa si baby boy yun. Nakapuntang Davao, no? Daig mo pa ate mo, no? Di ba?
Nauna pa siyang mag-plane trip sa mga ate niya. Oh, ano?
So, itutuwa siya sa inyo.
Oh, di ba nakatawa?
Ano, baby?
Smiling because you will not remember this.
And we're here at Marco Polo, Davao. Sobrang Paskong-Pasko na dito, guys. No? Christmas is in the air. Here, there, and everywhere. There you go. I've reached the... Teka lang, meron akong loading. Yan. So, okay na. Nasa loob na ako ng hotel room. And nakaset up na yung bed ni Zed. Tinanggal ko na siya from the travel bag. Tapos, andito na rin yung luggage ko. Yes. Tapos, the other luggage is here. Yung mga kailangan kong dadalhin from time to time. Yung mga needs ni Zed. Like yung kainan niya, yung wallet ko. Everything is there. So, maybe you're wondering where is Zed? Ayan, sobrang galing kasi dito sa hotel, merong pa-crib. Yay! Hello! Say hello! Say hello! Hi! Happy na siya. Banding time ka dyan kay Ninang. Natulog naman pero naputol uli yung tulog niya sa hapon eh. Feeling ko inaantok nga to eh. Pagtapos ng practice, doon tayo sa sa room. Papadidayin ko to. Banding with Ninang. Hey guys, good morning. So this is still me in a very different light. So this is my woke up like this look. Basically, andito kami ngayon sa hotel and we're about to check out. But before that, of course, I have to prepare naman for our trip back to Manila. So yan si baby, natutulog pa siya. Yan, so it's a really good thing na dinala namin yung baby cuddle bed niya kasi hindi siya masyadong nanibago dun sa environment niya. Handa ko na yung mga isusuot niya. Yan, tsaka yung mga isusuot ko. Yan, tapos yun yung carrier. Yan, all the stuff that we don't need, I put it inside my luggage here. Diyan. And those stuff that we will be needing from time to time, nilagay ko dito sa bag na to. So, this is actually a diaper bag / travel bag. So, when I'm traveling alone, I use this kasi kasya dito lahat ng overnight clothes ko. So, it may look small, but it's really spacious inside. Okay. So, nandito yung plane tickets ni baby and his birth certificate. Tapos, the rest of his stuff are underneath. So, yun yung mga pambihis niya, diapers niya, extra bib, etc. So, yan, this is already everything we need and it's really helpful that I have this type of bag kasi magaang lang siya and it's versatile, like I can have the option to just hang it on my shoulders, or because of this thing, yan, there's a tiny zipper right here, yan, that will allow me to to put this side of the bag here sa luggage ko. Yan, isusok-sok ko lang siya dyan. And presto. So, I got it pala from Charlie Baby. So, they have an online shop. You may want to check on it. Ayan. And yun pala, kami kasi, nagkaroon kami ng challenge on sinong magbabantay kay Baby. Kasi nga since solo akong nag-trip with him, I'm here actually for an event and my initial challenge was sino magbabantay kay baby habang at work ako. So if you have friends dun sa area na pupuntahan mo, it will really help na yun nga, humingi ka na lang ng help dun sa mga locally based friends mo na talagang mapagkakatiwalaan mo. Yan, in my case, I was so thankful that Trisha, my friend from Davao, she is also the woman behind Lacto Mom, was able to help me. Yeah. And she was so willing to help me when I asked her to. She is actually ninang of Zed. So, very happy ako that at least nagkaroon na sila ng bonding moments together, diba, as magninang while I'm at work. So, yun, I was at peace on that 1 hour na kinailangan kong pumunta sa stage at bitawan si baby, diba? Eh, di pagkatiwala siya sa care ng isang tao na sobrang pinagkakatiwalaan naman naming mag-asawa. So, Bryce wasn't able to join me then kasi because of loads of work. Yun. Pero, I'm sure he will be considering to drop everything kung sakaling wala talaga kaming choice. But for him to really accompany me and bring his work here in Davao. So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And we'll see you again in the next vlog. I hope this helped. Bye-bye!